Good morning, adventure seekers. Orcutt Car Show, October 16th. Want to bring your kiddies out. Trunk or treat, October 30th, 9 to 11. Looks like the Ben Axel still wants some more members. So come on, bring your car, your motorcycle, whatever you got, bring it on down. Enter to win one of these prizes, given away at 10 a.m. every Sunday. Just bring your car, enter for free. Right, let's see what we got going. Of course, we got Ada's cool ride. Chevy SS. Nice. No top down today. Alright, another one of Ray's creations. Built this from the ground up. One awesome ride. So we'll get you there. Nice looking Camaro. Right. Nice looking red Cheyenne truck. The Chevy Deluxe. I named it Deluxe for a reason. Some nice looking lines on that car. The engine's looking good. Original. Another fine looking step side pickup. Of course, the Woody. All you gotta do is spend a lot of time, love, and energy and keep it looking that good. But it is one fine looking automobile. Right, Santa Barbara Woody Club. Right, adventure seekers. We've got the rides here today. Cruise, Bonnie and Clyde mobile. The old VW bus includes custom variable air conditioning. Just open those windows, grit your teeth, eat some bugs, and you got air conditioning. VW with the patina. Oh, what's wrong, puppy? Nobody giving you any attention. Nobody's giving you any attention. They let the big dogs out, but not you. They let the big dogs out, but not you. That's just because you're too cute and they don't want to see you get hurt. Yes, you're a cutie. You are a cutie. Continue a little walk around here with this beautiful red Bronco. This beast is rock front ready. Too bad you don't want to get it dirty or scratch this one up. Not in this condition, but it is ready for any situation you come upon. How about a little bit of El Camino action with a V8 350, old school El Camino. Right. Oh, we got the trunk open on the Black Widow. Let's check this thing out. Check out the rear meats on the Widow. Oh, custom gas tank. Just enough room for one bag of groceries. This is one of my favorite rides. Just look at that engine, folks. That is sweet. Sweet looking machine. Right. Check it out, little Ford Mustang action. 4 on the floor? No, 5 on the floor even. Get you there in a hurry. Alright, continue a little walkabout here. A little preview of what's happening at the Orcutt Car Show. Got the selection of cool looking rides here, folks. No matter what you want, we probably got it here. Come check it out. The Silver Streak. Now that is a cool looking ride. Even the hood ornament is custom. I like that. Got the Indian. Got the Frankenstein look. Sweet. This is one nice looking cruiser. Like it. How about a little old school Studebaker action? Oh, Louis bringing out his fine studio with the wraparound rear windows. That was custom designed back in the day. Cool looking ride. Old school. And then new school GT looking cars. Old or new, whatever you got, bring it on down. Step side, blue pickup. Raspberry cream custom pickup truck. Love that color. Check out the shifter. Ready to go. This beast. Gotta get you there in a hurry. Right there, Seekers. Plymouth, Cambridge. Now that's a rare car. See too many of those cruising around. Right, this beauty. Corvette engine, Corvette frame. Man, that is one sweet creation. Little yellow Camaro action. Convertible Camaro. El Camino. Right, got the selection of cars out here, folks. Need to bring whatever you got on down here. Corner to Clark and Bradley. Show us your stuff. Add to the craziness. Check out this red Thunderbird. She's a beauty. That's one sweet looking little ride. The old Mickey Mouse pillow and everything. Red and white interior. It's pretty original. Thunderbird. 56 Chevy. Gotta like it. Sweet looking ride. Jet black. Shined up. Dirt shifter. Nice. Chevy step side pickup. Get the rides here today. Check it out. Alright, Adventure Seekers, the Harley boys are here. They're sweet looking rides. Gonna rumble on down the road with these beasts. Check this one, bro. Road King Bagger. Cape hangers. Oh man, that's one good looking Harley. Sportster for my speed, so I can actually touch the ground. Good looking rides, my friends. Good looking rides. You guys do warm up a little bit, and you guys are out here for a ride today, huh? Toys, boys and their toys. Nice. Cruise and Bel Air. I like that sun visor. Nice. Nice looking 37. Sweet. Alright. Beautiful example of a CUDA.
What's on your valve cover?
Triple carbureted Mopar. This CUDA will get you there. For sure. Nice looking restoration. Beautiful. The Mad Bombers. Nice looking truck. Old school Chevy time. 1929 Model A Roadster. Beautiful ride. This thing gets you there in style. 1929. She's almost 100 years old, but she's still out there cruising. Gotta like it. Beautiful ride. What do you say, Sadie? They leave you all alone. No attention whatsoever. They mean to you. They mean to you. Little lineup of the low riding machines. Low rider. Rides a little lower. Rides a little slower. Nice. I like it. Cruising on down the road.